Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at the TERUNSOUL-CAM ACC multi-size hardwire kit with voltage indicator. If you've been thinking about adding parking mode to your dashcam or getting rid of dangling power cables, this is the accessory designed to do exactly that. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through what this kit includes, how it works, and what you need to know before installing it. The TERUNSOUL Hardwire Kit is a 9.8-foot, 3-wire setup made specifically for powering dash cams directly from the vehicle's fuse box. The idea is simple. Instead of plugging your dash cam into the cigarette lighter socket, you tap into your car's electrical system for driving and parking monitoring. This is essential for 24/7 surveillance, and it's one of the main upgrades people make after buying a dash cam. Let's talk about the wiring itself, because the kit includes 3 leads: red, yellow, and black, and each one has a specific job. The red wire is meant for accessory power, also called ACC, which only powers up when the car is on so the dash cam starts recording automatically. The yellow wire is constant power, which stays energized even when the vehicle is off, enabling features like time-lapse parking mode and low frame rate recording. The third wire is the black ground wire, which attaches to the vehicle chassis or a grounding point to complete the circuit safely and consistently. TERUNSOUL emphasizes an important safety note. Always connect the ground wire first, and never swap the red and yellow wires. If the red wire is connected to constant power by mistake, the dash cam may never shut off, which can drain your car's battery. What makes this hardwire kit stand out is the built-in voltage indicator, which shows you voltage status while you install it. That's extremely useful because fuse boxes behave differently across vehicles, and real-time voltage helps confirm you're on the correct circuit. The kit includes multiple fuse tap adapters for different fuse types, giving it compatibility with most vehicles on the road today. Inside the box, you get the hardwire kit, the installation tool, and the different fuse adapters, so you're not forced to buy extra pieces. TERUNSOUL recommends a professional installer, especially if your fuse box feels unfamiliar, but DIY users can follow the included instructions. The long 9.8-foot cable also makes routing easier along the A-pillar and headliner, so the finished setup looks clean and factory-like. Now let's talk about functionality. When you start your car, your dash cam powers up normally using the accessory line for standard driving recording. When you shut the car off, the camera switches automatically into parking mode, using constant power to keep monitoring while you're away. On supported TERUNSOUL dash cams, you'll need to enable time-lapse recording in the camera settings before installation so parking mode behaves correctly. Once configured, the camera detects that the accessory line has shut down and begins recording using the constant power line for continuous coverage. Another advantage is stable support for 12 to 24 volt systems, and the module regulates output to provide clean 5-volt power to your dashcam. That helps protect the camera from voltage fluctuations, reduces random shutdowns, and keeps recording consistent even when the vehicle's power varies. The hardwire kit is also part of a larger TERUNSOUL ecosystem, integrating with their parking features, GPS, Wi-Fi, and companion app workflows. The goal is a set-and-forget setup that protects your vehicle whether you're driving across town or parked overnight in a busy lot. So who is this useful for? Anyone who wants cleaner cable management, true parking mode, and protection from hit and runs, door dings, or vandalism. Hardwiring also frees up the cigarette lighter port for phone chargers or other accessories, which is a simple quality of life upgrade. Before we wrap up, 2 reminders from the manufacturer. Connect the black ground wire before the other wires, and start your vehicle before enabling time-lapse parking mode. Following those steps helps the kit operate properly and reduces the risk of issues like blown fuses, incorrect ACC selection, or unexpected battery drain. That's the full breakdown of the TERUNSOUL-CAM ACC multi-size hardwire kit with voltage indicator. And it unlocks one of the best features a dash cam can have. If you want reliable parking surveillance and a cleaner installation without cables hanging down your dashboard, this is a smart, practical upgrade. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more deep dives into automotive accessories and smart gadgets, make sure to subscribe.